Komisi Benta Ban Rakhia Kerpang ya kejing dap arposnam kejing Syakri Narendra Modi kumu Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Gujarat. Bad ha kejing Syakri jung kumu Menteri Rang Ba do keri India. Ha ka pratrek unailar hajar arpuar ka BJP Meghalaya unit kala plat pat ba ka kot ka tho halor kejing im jung Modi ka ai kerteng Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery. Ya kene ka kot la plat pat ba do MLA ka BJP na pathorong kra uba AL Hek. Ha kejing don lang Vice President ka BJP Meghalaya uba David Kharsati, u CEO ka Health Sevak u Sunil Arora bat kinong ket kam ka BJP. Uba AL Hek ulaong ba Narendra Modi udah ubreu bas ngurit na ka por budang long nong ket kam jong kaseng. Bat ula poi syado ka kerdan kumu menteri rang ba do kari menta. Ulaong ba ula itho yo Modi na do kumba arp san snem menchwa bat ka pertai barakawai menta ka tiblot chapang u menteri rang ba do ke India Narendra Modi. Hagani kejingelang Sunil Arora ula ai kejing batai chapang kejingyal enti jong Modi na do budang sedang ya ka kam san pertai. Bat ulia tho ru be ka kot Modi at 20. Na tho da bon ngot kiro champang na keleng ki benta jong kari. Ulia tho bahagani ka kot la tho chapang Modi ha ka por budang long u menteri rang ba Kejala Gujarat bat hado ka por ka bamenta ka ba ubat sendan ya ka syuki menteri rang ba do kari.
How our beloved Prime Minister started his career. Today we have released the book Modi at 20. But I know our beloved Prime Minister Ji Narendra Modi Ji, 25 years back, you will be surprised also how we have met him in the last 25 years back. When first I was elected in 1998 and also inducted as a Minister of State in the state of Meghalaya as a primary education minister. That time, I was also the president of the BJYM Meghalaya. When I was the BJYM president of Meghalaya, we have invited the national BJYM meeting to be held in the states of Meghalaya, that is in Shillong, in Polo Tower Hotel. In 1998, that time our Prime Minister, he was the national in charge of the BJYM. We were together since 1998 and the meeting I host by me as a president of BJYM with our late T.H. Ringat when he was the elected MLA from Lawan. Also, he was the minister of the state of Meghalaya. We had host that office bearer meeting in Shillong, that also in the Hotel Polo Towers. So we know him, Modi at 25. 25 years back. How has it said by our speaker, how he was very humble. Why today he's become very successful man and a great man. We should know because he is a spotless leader.